The tree's obscuring my shot here. Get my chainsaw out and cut that thing down. It's for the good of the video. They won't mind. Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. We're at Home Depot. You can't tell by the color scheme. I'm gonna go inside, check out the Ryobi Days deals that they got, and also see what other kind of clearance stuff we can find, any other deals. The beautiful thing about having a Home Depot in the same vicinity, the beautiful thing about having a Home Depot near a Menards store is when Menards is having their 11% off, you can get 11% gift card at Home Depot for your Home Depot purchases. So if I buy any of the $100 starter kit with free bare tool Ryobi Days deals, I can get actually 11% off on that. So that's a beautiful thing. Let's go inside. Obviously a very popular deal. Really sold out, but you can get this online also. We posted it on the website. I'll try and remember to link down below, but $2.99 you get the 8 and the 6 amp hour starter kit. You get one of these tools for free. I'm not going to get it in this store though. If I sound a little muffled or hard to hear at this point, it's because I live in one of the 3 or 4 worst states in the country, also known as Illinois, and King J.B. Pritzker has decreed that you must wear a facial covering at all times. We have these Diablo Spade bits, $9.88. 6-piece, but you also get a bonus too. The funny thing I thought was when I scanned it on the app, it says this store is out of stock. Huh. Count might be off a little bit. If I end up getting one of these starter kits that get me into Ryobi's tools, I am definitely getting this thing. It's not even like a special price or anything, but I want one so bad. How awesome is that? Put it on a 5-gallon bucket and it gives you a little cool mist. You know, I expected when I walked in the store to see like a big Ryobi Days display or something with all the Ryobi Days promotion. I mean, there's this thing, but it doesn't mention Ryobi Days at all. There's no Ryobi Day display anywhere. I just thought that was kind of interesting. Got these Ryobi cable lights, $87.85. Those are normally $99, down to $69. Kind of an interesting little deal. Got this Milwaukee hammer drill, $53.80.21. Only $80. Rigid 2-tool kit.
Oh, how about shelving?
Like the rigid drill, only $32. It's Milwaukee rain jackets, whatever the hell they are. Hydro Brake rain shell, size large. Check it out, they got the deformable lights at Home Depot now. It says I've seen it on TV. I've never seen a commercial for one, but I guess I don't watch enough TV. They don't call it deformable. And it's $30. I know you guys know better than that, but look how many people are buying them. Poor suckers don't know about my website. You can get them for like 10, 12, 15 bucks. Well, the only thing we end up walking away with is the misting fan, which it's not even like a deal. It's probably the regular price that you could get it for any day. But I really wanted one. I saw it online the other day, and it just looks neat. And I overheat a lot, so it might be helpful. I did want to get the caulk gun, the Ryobi cordless caulk gun, to go as part of the Ryobi Day sale. You get the 2 battery starter kit and get a free bear tool, but they were all out of stock. It's not supposed to be back for 4 or 5 days, so hopefully we can make it back and pick that up. And hopefully at that time Menards is still doing their 11% sale, and that's about the only time I will ever say I am hopeful for a Menards 11% sale, because I really don't like the 11% for the most part. I want my free after rebate stuff, and they generally don't have the 2 going on at the same time. So there it is, guys. A couple clearance things. Interesting to see that deformable light here. I'm gonna bust out this cooling fan here when I get home and take a bath in it. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.